Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, little bonus video today. Quite literally just stepped in from work. I haven't done anything, took my jacket off. Something waiting for me I just wanted to share with you all. First off, I got an email from Christopher Thompson over there in New York a couple of days ago, and he said, John, I want you to try something. He said, so expect a parcel. Now he said expect a parcel. I'll be honest with you, I'm looking about, I was expecting something maybe along that size. I came in from work today and look at what's here. Right, I've no idea what's in it, but I just wanted to say thank you to Christopher Thompson. Wonderful, generous, I won't show that my address is on it there, wonderful, generous gift there. So I thought we'd share it, we'll open it and we'll see what's in it. I've got my box cutter. Get that off there. I always feel awful ripping back something gone to all that time and all that trouble and all that effort and then just come on and rip it off. So thank you, Christopher. Let's see. We've got okay. I'll take that out. Bit of paper for the infantry from shaving time. There it is, packing peanuts. I'll set it down in the sink here. And what we'll do is we'll go through it. We'll go through it and see what we've got. Thank you again, Christopher Thompson. To you guys, I was just saying, every shave now, it seems to be Ian gifted me this, Christopher gifted me that, Dad's gifted me this, you know. It's absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much, everybody. So straight away, you can see this, look. Razor Rock, the Stallion. Now I've seen this, and I want to try this myself. Oh, that smells nice. That smells nice. Very nice. And look at this. We've got the matching splash. This is good. This is just like Christmas, isn't it? Absolutely. You guys. Oh, I like that bottle. I do. I like that bottle. Look. Oh, yeah. Put some on the back of the hand. Oh, that smells nice. That actually smells familiar. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know if that's a copy or a dupe of something. I really genuinely don't know. That smells fantastic, but it smells familiar. We'll put that there. What else have we got here? There you go. Seville aftershave. Absolutely wonderful. Barrister and Man Seville aftershave. Does that smell like oranges? Seville oranges? I don't know. But thank you, Christopher. I'll try and get hold of the soap for that. Here we go. And last but by no means least, a full set. Check this out, guys. Alright. Okay. What's that? Lothar. Now that's Lothar Calm. Let's have a smell. There's the pour. Oh my word. Oh, that's nice. Oh my word, that's very, very nice. I've used Lothar just once before and it didn't smell like this. Wow. Oh my word. What on earth is that? That smells sensational. That's really good. That smells really good. And look at what's this. Look at this. Matching splash. So I have a feeling I'm going to be changing Saturday's shave. Right, but that, let's do with this different hand, look. Let's have, I'll do a bit of research after on these. Right. Yeah, that smells like Piacenza. Right, now that's it, the box of pep, that's it. I didn't mean that, like, oh, that's it. No, that's it. Thank you. Thank you, Stuart. Christopher Thompson, you always tell when I'm tired. Thank you, Christopher. That's wonderful. Very kind, very generous. 2 full sets and an aftershave right out of the blue. That's made my week. Yeah, I'm definitely. I wonder if that's a dupe. By the time you see this video, I'll probably know because I'm going to go and look it up now. But that smells like Piacenza. But that loafer smells absolutely fantastic, as does the Italian Stallion. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to go now and I'm going to have a cup of tea and I'm going to have a rest. I may even have 40 winks and then I'm going to come back in here and I'm going to do the Wednesday shave. Thank you, Christopher. Very kind, very generous. Please, everybody, thank Christopher in the comments below if you've a mind to. Okay, wonderful. Take care and I will see you tomorrow for you, but it'll be in an hour or 2 for me. Bye.